Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I did an upgrade on my winch to a wireless remote on the Hisun Axis 500 here. Show you what you get here. Standard remote here. It's got the wire down there, it's rolled up, got like 10 foot of cord here. It mounts right down there, goes in and out with it. So what I did was I went on, I bought me a wireless one here. Here's this right here. You get this remote here with it, and you also get a keychain remote here with it. Pretty handy and nice to have these here. That way you don't have to unroll the cord every time you get out. If you get stuck or whatever, pull the cord out. Here's how I did it here. The yellow wire here hooks to the in, and the white here hooks to the out. You got a hot and a ground, and there's your antenna, remote antenna wire here. And that goes to your relay on the winch right here, and it's found right there on the firewall. It's simple to hook in, just tie it right in, everything works good on it. And you also can still use your other factory one with a cord on it if you want to. I'll show you how it works. Alright, here's the wireless winch remote right here. We'll just hit out on it. Take it right out. Go back in with it, hit the end. Plain and simple on that. That way you ain't got to jack with that cord on that other one. Also, here's a little key fob one here to come with it. Does the same thing here. Out. In. Alright everybody, I hope that little tip there helped y'all out. Like I say, you can pick these up off Amazon. They're like 25 bucks on Amazon. You hook up 4 wires, the hot, the ground, the yellow in, white out. It's easy peasy to do. And you got yourself a wireless remote. That way you ain't got to fool with the one with the cord. But the other one still works, the factory one with that hooked up. I appreciate y'all watching. If you already hadn't liked or subscribed, I appreciate it if y'all would. It'd help me out a lot. Thank y'all.